Today, we are making a modern black utility kilt with multiple pockets. Before starting the fabrication, we complete all the equipment like a sewing machine, scissors, measuring tapes, a ruler, fabric, studs, buckles, and eyelets. After completing all the items, we start the manufacturing, and first we select the fabric and cut it according to customer sizes, length, and width. After making the apron, we cut the small panels to make the pleats and stitch them together. Then we cut a fabric to make a waistband. We sewn the pleats and front apron with the waistband to make a kilt look. After that, we again cut fabric to make flap pockets and sewn them on both sides and the back. Then cut the small straps to make loops and attach them to the back waistband. After that, we take a pair of fabric and sew them on the right corner of the front apron. We punch the eyelets with these straps and attach the buckles with them. In the last, we take quality snap buttons and attach them to the front apron and waist or flap pockets.